Hi guys, it's me Janet again, and I'm going to make a dessert pizza today. One of my favorite recipe, and when I make it before I I bring it to work so I don't have to eat everything. But this time it's just going to be in my fridge, and then when I want something for dessert, and there's something that I could grab so easily. So I'll keep you posted. Guys, so today I'm going to make a dessert pizza, and I'm going to add blueberries and strawberries as toppings. So these are the ingredients that I need to make it. Okay? Alright, let's see. So I'm just using the cookie dough for my dessert pizza, and I am using the stone. This is a Pampered Chef product, and this stone you can use this for, you can actually use this to make to bake or to bake vegetables. That's what I mean, or fish or meat. And you can use this to make pizza or bread and dessert. And like what I'm gonna make today is the dessert pizza, and with blueberries and strawberries as toppings. So this stone, the darker it gets, the better it is. So if you could see that, you don't use soap with this. Well, this is an older one, but the new one that we have, you can use it actually in the dishwasher, and you can use soap with it. But for this one, this is the older version, you can only use a scraper, which I have, and I will show you also later. But I'm going to use the cookie dough, the sugar cookie dough. I just got it from the store, and I don't really want to start. Wait, let me my recipe. So let me just so I have the oven at 350, preheating it, and then I'm going to just put this. Smells good. It'll stick. Hold on 1 second. Be right. I was gonna make cheesecake today, but I checked my fridge and there's no eggs. I have the other ingredients, but there's no eggs. So just gonna make the dessert pizza because I don't need eggs for this. But it's messaging. GC is kind of busy. I'm going to put this in the oven. And if I need to bring something to work, like we have a party or like potluck, this is what I bring all the time. It's always a hit. Any other recipe that I make, if I have a demo or a party and I have to make food, that just to show it. My co-workers, there's the one that having like enjoying the food because I bring it to work. So I'm going to put it in the oven for at least 10 minutes and then cool it down, and then put the cream cheese and the fruits on top of it, and then put it in the fridge, and it's good to go. I mean, it's good to eat. Look at the cookie dough, guys. Hey, I baked it for 18 minutes at 350. Oh my gosh. You know, this thing tastes really good. Let's fill this thing with some fruits. Strawberry and blueberries. Look at it, guys. So, because I work at home, that means I need to ask or look for friends to come over and help me eat this, okay? Now I'm going to put the cheese, the cream cheese. Just gonna spread it here. Guys, this looks really good. Oh my god. Yay, yay, yay. Wow. Let me grab the rest. Okay. Oops. Scattered everywhere. It's really very easy. Only four ingredients. I don't know if you guys, I wish that I could send all of you this stone. I'm going to post the recipe in the description, you guys, so you can see it, and maybe there's an alternative for the stone. Maybe you can use another pan if you don't have a stone. I know it's called a stone. Hey, wow. Smells so good, guys. Smells so good. I think I'm going, ay, my avocado. Use this one. Strawberries. You know what? I still have strawberries in the fridge, but should have got more. Well, I'm just showing you guys, okay? But oops, oops, oops. I could add more. You can actually use any kind of fruits that you want, like peaches or raspberry. It's really up to you what your preferences are. I think I would try. Maybe I'm gonna try using pineapple with this. I don't know how it's gonna be. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but it should be fine. But look at the strawberries. They're like cut in uniform. I'm going to put some blueberries, which I love to munch while I'm working or watching LS or there. I'm just gonna leave it there for a few minutes, let it cool a little bit, and then I think I have to cover and then put it in the fridge. Well, I love the blueberries, so I'm gonna put more. Okay, here. Guys, so here is the finished dessert pizza. It is still warm, so I'm gonna let it cool for a few minutes, and then I'm going to wrap it with a saran wrap and then put it in the fridge and start eating it, unless a friend or some friends come over and help me eat it. So this is what is called the dessert pizza. 4 ingredients: the cookie dough, strawberry, blueberry, and cream cheese, and actually a little sugar. It's up to you.